pag-uusapan natin ngayon is the list of requirements. Alright? So, sobrang dali lang yan, list of requirements. Pag employed ang pag-uusapan natin right now. So, for the employed is Certificate of Employment. Okay? Very important, ang Certificate of Employment is merong date hired, tsaka income compensation. Right? So, suggestion ko, just in case hindi pa available yung COE natin, okay, 3 months payslip muna. Alright? But, if ever, maraming nakalagay na loan sa payslip mo, I suggest antay na natin yung COE. Alright? Pero kung mababa lang naman yung mga loan, okay, sige, pasan nyo na. 3 months latest payslip. Second is valid IDs. Highly suggested, sana meron kayong dalawang valid IDs. So, minsan naman tinatanggap naman yan isang ID, pero highly suggested, dalawang valid ID. Ano ba yung mga valid ID? PRC, driver's license, passport, SSS, UMID, ano pa? Call me, chat me. Right? Meron ako listahan yan ng mga valid IDs na accepted. Then, proof of billing. So, bakit ba kailangan pa yung proof of billing na yan? Alright? So, hinahanap yan as proof of residency. Baka magulat kayo yung ibang financing. Hindi nagbe-base sa address sa ID. Sa proof of billing sila nagbe-base. Alright? So, accepted billing are electric, water bill, what else? Cable, internet, telco. Kung may nakalinya kayong phone. Alright? Then, ano pa ba? COE, payslip, ID, proof of billing. And mag-accomplish tayo ng application form, alright? Kumpletuhin natin yan. Huwag tayong mag-leave ng blank, of course. Very important yan. Okay? Then, yun na. Ganun lang kadali ang employed requirements. Sobrang konti lang niya, alright? Post ko siya dito. Screenshot nyo na lang. So, that's it. Bye.